Are you searching for the best digital oscilloscope? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best digital oscilloscope in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. OWON Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The OWON Handheld Digital Oscilloscope, HDS2202S/HDS2102S, is a portable and reliable oscilloscope ideal for both professional engineers and DIY enthusiasts. It boasts a max waveform capture rate of 30,000 WFM/s, allowing for easy signal capture and analysis of high-speed electronics. Its real-time sampling rate of 1 GSA/s ensures accurate and high-resolution waveform analysis. The oscilloscope has a record length of 8K, enabling detailed examination of long-duration signals without losing important data. It also features dual digital channels for simultaneous signal measurement and a built-in signal generator for design and troubleshooting. The compact design of the oscilloscope allows for easy on-the-go use, with a display size ranging between 3.0 to 4.9 inches. The 320-240 pixel resolution provides clear visuals in various lighting conditions. The oscilloscope's bandwidth range of 100 to 349 MHz ensures accurate analysis of a wide range of signal frequencies. It meets CE certification, ensuring its reliability and performance. The demountable battery ensures uninterrupted performance during long testing sessions. The OWON HDS2202S/HDS2102S is ideal for electrical DIY projects, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals working on electronic projects, repairs, or design work.